How's your workflow going? How is your daily work process going? Many of us spend a lot of time on computers every day. Maybe we don't want to, but here we are. And what we're going to be focusing on is a new series called Workflow 101. All right, we're going to look at how we can tweak our workflow just by doing a couple of little tips and tricks, some of which are so simple, but you just haven't seen these demonstrated, okay? Because you don't have time to Google how can I improve my workflow? Well, here's a couple of basic steps, folks. It doesn't get any more basic than this. No fancy steps, all right? These are tips and tricks that are hidden in plain sight. Okay, so step number one. Step number one is called bookmark magic. And here we go. Okay, we're going to set up a bookmark right now. And we're going to set up multiple bookmarks. What are they? Well, when you Google a site that you regularly use, all right, and you can think of probably 3 or 4 or 5 sites that you regularly use. Maybe it's your personal banking. Maybe it's your business website. Maybe it's something else, okay? Maybe it's special software that you access. If you're in the education sector like I am, there's going to be some network sites. The sites, there's going to be your school homepage. There's going to be the Outlook and professional things that you access 50 times a day. Now, do you log out, log back in? What's your workflow? Because I'm astonished at conversations that I have with people who are at varying stages of their careers who are stuck doing repetitive things and are spending time that they don't have doing things that they can actually avoid. Now, here we go. This is nice and simple, folks. What I want you to do right now is Google a site that you regularly go to. And for me, I'm going to demonstrate this by Googling QuickBooks. All right, there's QuickBooks. So I use QuickBooks. So this is an important site for me, and I want to be able to go to it quickly. So here's what I do. You see the magic star that you never knew what it was for? Click on it, and then it gives you a chance to add a bookmark. And what you do is, you don't want to have this line so long, you can just call it QB, okay, QuickBooks. And then that is saved. All right, now where did it go? Well, I've got lots of bookmarks set up here because these are all important for me to get to quickly. And so it would have gone, look at this. Boy, how's this for being efficient, huh? How about that? Here is QuickBooks. I can drag and drop, okay? So I can put that right in front of my Google form if I want, or if, it's getting close to tax season, I can put this right at the front of the list. And then I can regularly click that. I can click on some of these other sites here and get to those quickly. Bounce back and forth. Oh, I forgot. I better go to FreshBooks. I better check my website. And you can have a couple of tabs open depending on the strength of your computer. Computers can handle this stuff pretty quickly. All right. So welcome to your first step toward workflow improvement. See you next time.